Action.
We are at one of Langley's largest master plan developments. This neighborhood offering blended townhomes. This community offering a blended residential You want to use my microphone? We are at Langley's.
Okay, this is Afshin. He was a commercial realtor that now specializes in residential real estate, which means he knows his way around every city in the Lower Mainland. We are living in YVR, a channel dedicated to bring you all the what's to know when it comes to the housing market here in the YVR, so that you keep the right investments on your radar.
River District, the south area in the Vancouver city. On the south we have the Richmond city, and here is the river. As you can see, that's why they call it River District. And there are many new construction happening in the area. So as you can see in my path, this is a new development by West Group, and we're gonna have a little tour today about this area and the plans that's going to happen in the near future, and what's the big picture of this area. And it's a very quiet, it's close by industrial areas, and you can see it's by the airport, because the airport in Vancouver is in Richmond city, which will be about 15 minutes drive from here. And also access to downtown, it's about 25 minutes drive to downtown. And this is a pretty quiet. And if you want to access to Burnaby or go towards the east to New West, or even further to Surrey and then Delta, which is the industrial part, this area is actually located in the central. So you have access to everywhere within 30 minutes, I would say. Also, I would mention that this river is one of softens the air when we have summer. You have a nice breeze from here.
A major thing to highlight regarding the construction of the homes in this area is the forward thinking when it comes to the net zero homes and reduced energy consumption. What does all this mean? Many of the homes are built in a way to create as much clean energy as the energy they use, creating a net zero when it comes to their energy consumption. Beyond that, the construction itself uses renewable energy sources, extra insulation, high-performance windows, and airtight building envelopes. This all helps reduce greenhouse emissions and really puts us forward in terms of building sustainable infrastructure for the future.
This property is for sale in Langley. It's a brand new home. It's 2753 square foot. 6 bedroom, 4 bathroom. It has a suite for the basement. It's a mortgage helper, we call it, in Vancouver. The price is 1.699 and it's listed today. We are in May, and the market is not as hot. These properties has the garage in the backyard. It's not attached to the building, and well, the price point comparing to the location, that's what it is right now. There is a reason that I brought you here. Langley Event Center on my left, a middle school over there, and a secondary school right beside it in this block, all newly built.
Several new schools and amenities have been built in the community to accommodate the rapid growth of residential units being built, with a SkyTrain extension and many mixed-use developments on the way as well.
Forget your European-style vacation. We have a European-style village right here in Latimer Heights, with a commercial space hub for offices, dining, and a little bit of shopping. Let me show you around.
Opportunities of development to this magnitude outside of major cities is definitely something to keep in mind. In this day and age, the right investments stem from seeing the future of what something can be. And when it comes to Latimer Heights, the future looks pretty promising, but that's our point of view. What's yours?
You're thinking about moving to Greater Vancouver area, or just simply want to know about more an upcoming neighborhood? Just make sure to subscribe to this channel, and by liking our videos, it helps us to provide more information about your desired locations. And if you have any questions, leave us a comment. We'll get back to you shortly.